Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to change your Gmail password without a phone number. First of all, open your Chrome or any web browser you use. Here in the search bar, type how to recover a Gmail account. Scroll down and open this Google Help link. Here you can see a detailed process of how to recover your Gmail. Scroll down to Need More Help section. From here, you can get any kind of help regarding your account. It will tell you step-by-step processes to follow to change your Gmail password without a phone number. In the Need More Help section, tap on the Post to the Help community. Scroll it down and now tap on Post a question. Here in the summary of your issue box, you can write your problem. Like, my Gmail account is not recovered. You can explain your problem over here and your account will be recovered hopefully. In the category section, select Account Access and Recovery. You can also add any screenshot or attachment of the issue you are facing. Now tap on the next step and select Account Recovery here. By submitting this form, your application will be reviewed soon. In this way, you can recover your Gmail password without recovering your email and phone number. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.